It's day 6 of the Skin and Mind series, and we'll be looking at self love and its impact on the skin. Ma, do you really think there's a connection between self love and a better skin?
Of course, there has always been a crucial link between self love and self care. But I do not think people fully understand the concept of self love or even how to practice it, as the case may be. Because, firstly, people's imagery or perception of their self are sometimes distorted. It is not the correct perspective. How do I mean? There was a time we were shooting content and the content team were around and everyone was to go for their session. Then the first lady during her session said, "I am fat. I think I could be slimmer." And we disagreed because she honestly looked perfect. She had the best body for her stature. She didn't look fat at all. She didn't even look chubby to start with. Then the second lady during her session said, the same day, said, "I think I'm too skinny." And we're like, well, how do you mean? She said, "Look at my collarbones. They are out there. This is not how I would normally look." And we all laughed and we found it funny that two ladies with over the same body have totally different perspective of how they look. And it got me thinking of how sometimes we look at ourselves differently. Sometimes we hate ourselves for what we are not truly, or we like ourselves for what we are not. So sometimes people say, "I love myself." How can you fully say with your full chest that you love yourself, but you hardly go out without heels because of what people will say, or because you don't want to look short? Not necessarily because it fits your outfit or you love heels. Even when it's not convenient for you, you still find a way to pull off heels every now and then because you want to be seen as tall. For expectant mothers, your body is going through several changes. One that accompanies people who are carrying life. It's something we all understand. The enlarged nose, the stretch marks from the baby bump, the darkened skin, and we can't look at ourselves in the mirror anymore just because of these changes, because we are holding on to the image of ourselves before the baby came around. Well, for people who have given birth, postpartum fat, and the whole changes that accompanies it, and we no longer feel like ourselves. We hate to see ourselves in the mirror. Talk more of caring to our new body, but always fantasizing about the body we once had or the one we want to have in the nearest future. Not caring for the current body that you have in order to get there. Skincare starts with self-love. You have melasma, you have vitiligo, you have tinea vesicolor, you have acne-prone skin. But how many times do you actually love that skin that it's for you? I believe people need to love their skin more, honestly. They really need to love their skin more. If you love your skin more, you would not be an African with either a dark or fair skin and be looking for a Moroccan or Egyptian set for your body. Even knowing that there are dangers associated with it. Lightening your skin 4, 5, oh, I don't know how people calculate that anyways, 5, 7 shades lighter. Despite knowing that it causes a lot of risk for you, one of which is actually skin cancer. How if you fully loved your skin, this skin is what gives us a personality. Without skin, you and I will be unrecognizable. So you first have to understand yourself, know yourself, really take your time out to understand your skin, and then love that skin while you are trying to attain whatever skin you want to have in terms of skin health. So from self-love, understanding the concept of self-love, can you fully practice it in your skincare? Can you fully have the patience to be consistent with your skincare routine and to choose the right product or go through the right route to get the skin that you want?
All right, ma'am. So, from what you just said, it seems as though a proper understanding of self love will help us make better informed skin decisions. Also, can you give us tips on how to incorporate self love practices into our daily routine?
Sure. Firstly, like I said, is actually understanding your skin and seeking to practice what works for your skin. Before we go into the daily aspect of it, do you know your skin type, or do you just buy skincare products? Because some people also kind of misunderstand self-care for self-love. That you are spending 200,000 or more on your skin every month doesn't mean you love your skin. You don't love your skin if you are bleaching but you are using about 500k every week, or going to the spa but you're not getting the right skincare treatment for your skin. Do you love your skin enough to try the 10 minutes skincare test, skin type test, to understand if you have oily, combination, dry, or normal skin? Do you actually have that much love for your skin? And after that, do you have much love for yourself to be able to go to a skincare expert or a dermatologist to ask for tailored advice on what products to use for your skin? Do you love your skin enough to not just go to the shop and pick up a new product because it looks fancy? Do you love your skin enough to stay consistent and true to the process without losing hope in it, because you understand that good things take time? Do you love your skin enough to not pressure it, telling it to look at its mate, your friend? Why can't my skin be like this? You know why? Because you're not the same person. And when you understand this, you can break it into small bits. Now you understand that this product is good for me, and you understand that this product should be used every three days. If you love your skin enough, you will do it. So these are few actionable steps that we can actually adopt in our daily lives. Firstly, do not over exfoliate. A lot of people love scrubs because it feels like you are sloughing off dead skin layers. Aside from the dangers of damaging your skin barrier, it's not just for the face as well, for your entire body. Please limit the number of times you scrub your body. And for the face, you can use non-abrasive exfoliants for your face, such that it sloughs off these dead skin layers gently. You don't need to do it all at once. It doesn't work that way. Number 2 is using the right product for your skin. You have sensitive skin. You have to understand that you cannot go well with fragrance products, like heavily scented products, because it stresses out the sensitive skin. Some people love smell so much that they want all their products to smell nice. But when you love your skin enough, you are going to pick products that do not smell too much, that do not have added fragrance, but actually do the work. Number 3 is wiping off your makeup before sleeping. No matter how tired you are, when you understand that this makeup can clog your pores and lead to breakouts that would stay for like days, and even the accompanying acne scars, you would take out that 2 to 3 minutes out to wipe off your face, and another 2 minutes to properly wash your face. Another one is stop using products that have tags like Moroccan, Egyptian, caramel, whatever that is. Let me tell you, what determines the skincare product you're supposed to use is actually your skin type, which I earlier mentioned: oily, dry, combination, whatever, not dark or light skin. If I'm dark and you are light and we both have oily skin, then we can certainly use the same product. What differentiates the caramel from the Egyptian is the presence or absence of a bleaching agent. Another one is that you should always wash your face at least twice in a day, morning and night. Another one is your acne. Leave it alone. I know it's very hard, but just leave it alone. Let it breathe. Okay, just let it heal. If you love your skin enough, before you want to pop that pimple, you'll probably think of using a pimple patch as opposed to popping it, and you would feel much better after doing that.
All right, thank you very much for the exposition, ma'am. Over to our skincare besties. We'd love to hear your suggestions. We'd love to hear your responses in the comment section below. What way would you be loving your skin this week? Let us know in the comment section below. Do not forget to stay updated to our daily videos. Like and follow our channel at Avoy. See you on day 7.